Hi, my name is Andrea Morell, and I am head wench, CEO, and founder of Pasta Wench here in Boone, North Carolina. I started this business about 3 years ago at my kitchen table with 50 hand-cut ravioli. Now, as you can see, we have a terrific pasta facility here in Boone and are able to create jobs in North Carolina and also buy fresh, local ingredients for all of our pastas. How I became to be the Pasta Wench was I wanted to be involved with local food, so joined with the local farmers market here in Boone. And at the time, I didn't realize that my vegetables would be too small to take to market. So I ended up making pasta instead. This is how Pasta Wench was born. We started Andrea's Organics, where we now grow many of our herbs, spices, as well as garlic that go into our fillings and our fresh fettuccinis. Every week here at Pasta Wench, we make between 800 to 1,000 pounds of pasta. We make 49 different flavors of ravioli, as well as 10 different flavors of fettuccine. Each day, we start with non-bleached, non-bromated, hard red winter wheat flour. We then mix it with fresh herbs and cheeses, put it through our cutters, and come out with a fabulous product for your table. The best way to cook our pasta is to boil it in salted water for 5 to 6 minutes, top with your favorite sauce, and you have a fabulous meal for your family. After the pasta comes off the machine, our ravioli are put into freezers or our fettuccine into our special drying room. After our pasta comes out of the drying room, it's packaged in gourmet cellophane bags and hand-tied with a raffia bow. You can find our fabulous ravioli in Harris Teeter in the frozen food section. Just look for the lovely green bag with Pasta Wench on it. Over the past 3 years, our relationship with Harris Teeter has really blossomed. We ship about 4,000 units per month to Harris Teeter stores. Some of the great flavors include spinach portobello, smoked Gouda, as well as our roasted red pepper and onion ravioli. You can find these flavors in the frozen food section at your local Harris Teeter. We're really excited to be working with Harris Teeter, and what makes our product different is that our pasta is created fresh. When an order is placed, we are not pulling things off a warehouse shelf. We are starting the process when that order comes in, ensuring that the customer gets the freshest possible product. One of the great things about our relationship with Harris Teeter was that once we entered into that, it really gave our small business the opportunity to grow and to move into this larger facility and to actually create jobs here in Boone. And that's been just an absolutely wonderful experience for us. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we would love it if you would pick up some of our fresh ravioli at your local Harris Teeter. If you'd like to find out more about Pasta Wench, visit us online at www.pastawench.com and keep an eye out for our fresh gourmet fettuccine.